It's got rego.
It's been like 8 months and the car has finally got some registration. Took me long enough to get the roadworthy, and then surprisingly after that the registration done, but it's finally registered. We can finally have some fun with it. And for today's video I'm going to talk about what we're going to do with this piece of shit, because I don't know what we're doing with it. Now if you're new here on Copper Top Productions, hi, my name's Ian, this is my YouTube channel, this is one of my shitty cars. Yep, and this is kind of going to be, I guess, the beginning of the build series on it. Why this car? Why not one of my other ones? Why not one of the good ones? Well, because this one's cheap enough that I can afford parts to put into it, and for what I'm thinking, should be able to get some steady content out of it for not too many dollars, and should be able to have some fun with it too, which I'm keen for. This BMW is a 318 IS, so it's basically the lowest model you can get in the coupes, although it is a coupe, so that's definitely a plus in my books. I've owned a few of these cars. This is a particularly good example, other than the paint fade. Automatic transmission, don't think that's going to last too long. 1.8 double overhead cam motor. All in all, the car's solid. It's just a Beamer, so yeah. It's how Beamer boys pose and take photos of their cars, isn't it? Anyway, that's the whole shebang. If you guys want to see me build this piece of shit, follow along, subscribe, and we'll do something with it. Catch you in the next one. Bye.
Wait, what's that, huh?
Nothing. It's porn.